Hello YouTube, back again with another video of this new Mustang. I got my strut mount bar in and I'm gonna show you guys. And I also got my sound system in and I'm gonna show you guys that too. So if anybody wants to know how to wire a sound system inside a Mustang, I can show you. This is it. Got a capacitor over there. These are 210s. Low converter connected to the speakers. And my amp is on the other side. You just can't see it. Oh, excuse me. And if you guys can see it, there's 3 ground points back here for a Mustang. So you can use all this metal here. Make sure you just shave the paint out the way. The 1 ground point for the low. There's a ground point over here for the capacitor. And right in between the seats in the back, there's a 15 millimeter nut or a screw you can pull and then just mount it on that, and then your seats can get thrown right back, and that's easy. And then the wire for power is ran here along the driver's side and into a firewall. And then I'll show you guys where that comes out. If I can open the hood. And then comes all the way from the firewall and into this power main. My inline fuse is right here. And that's how that's done. And also the bar for anti-body roll has been installed. Looks nice and clean. It's not dust, just a little buildup. But wipe down here in the engine bay while I did it. Got all the dust out. Looks good to me. But that's it so far. More mods to come, but slowly and surely. Slowly but surely. CarPlay works great. There's no skips. There's no dropping of bass signal. Everything is nice and clean. But if there's any questions, feel free to ask. I'm gonna start getting to know this car personally well. And, oh, I didn't do my wheel spacers yet, but I'll probably do that on another video just to show what a 1-inch looks like in the fender well, because these tires and wheels are kinda tucked up in here. Makes me kind of sad sometimes, but the car still looks sexy. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go upstairs and play Yakuza 8 because that's where my life is right now. And thanks for staying tuned.